Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I am discussing few important multiple choice questions that covers your chapter tissues important points. Here most of the schools they are giving multiple choice questions MCQs in their asking in their home examinations. So topic wise I'll give you the multiple choice questions of your all topics of class 7, right? Now here today I am covering ICSE board class 7 chapter tissues objective questions. First, a group of cells which is similar in origin, structure and function is called as molecule, matrix, tissue, organ. Correct option is tissue. Here I am giving you answers also along with your questions. Mastomatic tissues have cells which divide for some time, dead cells, undividing cells, continuously dividing cells. Correct option, continuously dividing cell. Phloem consists of vessels, collenchyma and phloem fibers, tracheids, phloem fibers and phloem parenchyma, sieve cells, phloem fibers and phloem parenchyma, vessels, sieve tubes, xylem fibers and phloem parenchyma. Correct option is the third, that is sieve cells, phloem fibers and phloem parenchyma. Vascular bundles are formed of parenchyma and sclerenchyma, collenchyma and xylem, phloem and vessels, xylem and phloem. Fourth is the correct option, xylem and phloem. Voluntary muscles are cylindrical and branched, cylindrical and unbranched, spindle shaped, spherical. Correct option is cylindrical. Second option, cylindrical and unbranched. The short thread-like branches arising from the cell body of a nerve cell are cyton, axon, neuron, dendrite. Correct option is dendrites. White fibrous tissue present in tendons, joints, bone to a bone, bone to a muscle, muscle to a muscle, all of these. Second option is correct, bone to a muscle. Blood has a straw colored fluid matrix called plasma, stroma, bone, vacuole. Correct option is plasma. A fluid connective tissue without red blood cells, lymph, plasma, blood, none of these. Correct option is lymph. Ligaments connects muscles to bone, muscles to skin, muscles to muscle, bone to bone. Correct option, bone to bone. Blood is a muscular tissue, connective tissues, nervous tissue, epithelial. Correct option, connective tissue. 12. Tissue present at the tip of root and shoot of a plant. It is meristematic tissue, complex, xylem, phloem. Correct. First option is correct. It is meristematic tissue. Tissue that has living cells and gives mechanical support to a plant. Parenchyma, collenchyma, sclerenchyma, and meristematic tissue. Living and gives mechanical, it is collenchyma. Thin and flat epithelial cells covering the body, squamous, cuboidal, columnar, connective. It is squamous epithelium. Parenchyma cells have cell walls made up of lignin, pectin, cellulose, none of this. Correct option is cellulose. Tissues that stores fat and is present under the skin, adipose tissue, areolar tissue, tendons, ligament. Correct option, adipose tissue. Certain specialized parenchyma cells closely associated with sieve cells are known as companion cells, sieve tube, phloem parenchyma, none of that. Correct option is companion cells. Permanent plant tissue may be simple, complex, both of these, none of these. Correct option, both of these. Which of the following is a plant tissue? Epithelial tissue, meristematic tissue, muscular tissue, nervous tissue. Correct option is meristematic tissue. The muscles which are under our control, striated muscle, unstriated muscle, cardiac muscle, none of these. First option is correct, striated muscle. Which of the following is not a connective tissue? Connective tissue proper, skeletal connective tissue, fluid connective tissue, nervous tissue. Last option is correct, nervous tissue. Ray of meristematic tissues found in the stem is called Xylem, phloem, cambium, companion cell. It is the cambium. Which epithelium lies the blood vessels and esophagus and forms the epidermis of the skin? Squamous epithelium, columnar epithelium, cuboidal epithelium, none of this. First option is correct. It is squamous epithelium. Thank you, children. Again, we will meet in the next video on the other topics which covers entire in your multiple choice question. Thank you.